Very good evening once again, and I have today with me Satyam. So I'm gonna be interacting with him. Hello Satyam,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, not here.
It was nice meeting you Satyam. So before we start our discussion, let us first we know about yourself, like something from your side.
My name is Satyam Shivare. I study in class 8th. My school name is Sainik School, Ambikapur.
Okay, you are studying in Sainik School.
Yes.
Fine. So how did you get admission there?
Sir, I get admission. So many difficulties. There is the help of my father. I prepared 1 year for this school and go to the entrance exam. Firstly, I give entrance exam 8th January and I qualified that exam. But the exam was suspended and due in 24 January. I again gave the entrance exam and I also qualified that exam and I get the admission in the school.
Very good. You have qualified the exam twice.
Yes, sir.
It is bit of a difficult for any student who got selected once, but you have done it twice. It is a very nice thing. That shows that how good a spirit you have to study. Fine.
Yes.
See, you said your father, he had a lot of effort just to get you admitted there.
Yes, sir.
So how do you see the struggle of your father with you?
Sir, my father goes daily with me Morena and don't come here. He stay Morena. He are suspended on their job, but he not say me don't fear. We get admission.
Okay. So when you saw the struggle of your father, he was struggling with you, sitting there along with you, you were studying at the coaching and he was sitting with you for 7 to 8 hours.
Yes.
So how did you see the struggle of your father? What do you think by struggling, by seeing the struggle of your father?
I see they suspended for me. They stay here for 8 and 9 hours. This is so difficult. They have no smartphone. They stay and go there and where.
Okay. So how would you like to pay his efforts off? Like how would you like to reward him? Because he has done so much for you.
So
How would you like to pay
I
it off?
want to a job in 18 and 19 years.
Okay, you want to get a job in 18 and 19 years.
Yes.
Basically, where have you made up of your mind to do the job?
Yes, sir.
Where would you like to do the job?
Sir, in NDA and being a lieutenant in army.
Okay, you want to become a lieutenant in army.
Yes, sir.
Fine. How the life is in the Sainik school?
Sir, the life of Sainik School is so interesting. We do PT, we go school, we go to the mess and eat food. We get punishment by seniors, and we play in the school, we play in hostel. There are so many friends, they come all over India and a good experience with the friends.
Okay. Are you introvert or extrovert? Means you talk to everybody or you just be reserved?
Sir, I talk everybody.
You talk to everybody. Fine. How is the atmosphere different there as compared to the home?
Sir, there are different atmosphere. I get up early in the morning, I do PT, I get punishment by seniors. I am not do anything in physical fitness. So this is difficult for me.
Okay, do you get the punishment?
Yes, sir.
What kind of punishment? Can you elaborate what sort of punishments are given to you?
Sir, like physical fitness, push-ups,
Yes.
sit-ups,
Okay.
more things, sir.
Means some physical exercise
Yes.
based. Fine. Do you think you have gone very disciplined?
Yes, sir.
Because something which is related to the army or the defense, they discipline you.
Yes, sir. Discipline is the most important thing. We can't sit with our seniors.
Okay, you can't sit with your senior. Is there a rule you cannot sit with your seniors?
Sir, this is rule made by seniors. Don't
Okay.
teach.
So if you need any help, so how do you approach your seniors there?
Sir, we ask to senior, they help.
Hmm.
They help in everything. We are new in the school. They are tell everything. Don't we? Most are students are weeping with. They not live with her parents.
Okay.
So senior are so help in the school.
Don't you remind of your parents? They are at Bamor at home, and you are there far away from
No
them.
sir, no sir. The friends there are 80 some 18 friend, 80 friend.
Hmm.
So I not feel. I one day I get fever.
Hmm.
My friends get up all the night.
Okay.
For
Means
me.
your friends, they act like your parents there. They take
Yes.
care of you this much.
Yes,
It's a very nice atmosphere and having a nice feeling along with the friends.
yes.
So, do you miss your parents here when you are there?
So sometime.
Sometime you miss.
Yes.
Fine. So, like all the holidays and all the vacations you are celebrating there itself, or you get an opportunity to come to your home?
So I get opportunity to come home.
Okay. How long have you been at your home after the before the COVID or after COVID?
So I get 40-day holiday in summer and 10-15-day holiday in winter.
Okay. Satyam, see, what are your hobbies?
So my hobby is play football.
Playing
Football.
football. You developed that hobby by playing football there, or you had an hobby and interest in playing football before going there?
You know, I developed my hobby at school.
Okay, after going there.
Yes.
Fine. So, had a nice interaction with you, Satyam, and it was pleasure meeting you. Thank you very much. So, it was Satyam with us, and thanks for watching.